Yo, 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 what's happening, my people? It's your boy, Bieber King. This round, I just wanted to share with you guys some of my reptile, amphibian, and crustacean collectibles. These are not for sale. These are just cool little things that I personally like. So we have this little pewter lobster here. This thing is really cool. Then we have this little turtle keychain. This is just too adorable to use, and it's really brittle anyway. Like the legs on this guy were bent when I first got him, so I had to bend them back into shape. But isn't that just so cute? Then we have this cool frog ring, which is really cool. I actually wouldn't wear the jewelry, just so you guys know. I just like collect stuff like this. Then we have this stone turtle. Then we have this snake ring. Then we have this cool turtle I got when I went to Virginia with my bro. Peace out, players.